What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video as always, and today we're gonna be throwing a mod on the car that I've been wanting to throw on for quite some time already. Now, I've had a negative past with this part, and I'll be explaining that story here in a little bit. But to jump into more positive news, we're gonna be throwing on not only a mod, but I'm also thinking about taking you guys along for SEMA Ignited. If you guys don't know what SEMA is a trade show for all the car enthusiasts out there who own a business or are sponsored by a business, to the best of my knowledge. And usually after the whole event is over, after the 3-4 days that the event has happened, they host an event called SEMA Ignited. And that's where people go out and blast music, then they got drifting, then they got a car show, then they announce awards. And I also feel like, too, to spice up this video that much more, because no one just wants to sit around and just watch carbon fiber mirror caps that only take, what, 2 minutes or whatever it is to put on. So I want to make this video a little bit more exciting for you guys. But right now, we got to go drive home, and we're going to jump right in to starting this video. I used to absolutely hate the sound of this car, but now I love it. And honestly, with the exhaust cutouts on here, it just makes the car sound that much more aggressive, and it just makes me actually enjoy driving a V6, especially when you have a pedal commander and, oh, ran over some shit. And the mod we're gonna be throwing on the Mustang is, again, something I've always wanted to put on the car, but I ended up running into issues with it in the past when I did buy it, and I was never able to make a video for you guys. But finally, we're able today, and everything looks awesome, everything looks perfect, and it should work out as planned, if not better. And what we ended up buying for this car are some carbon fiber mirror caps. These things are absolutely beautiful, and they looked a lot better in person than they did online. Online, they look like they're like hydro dripped and they don't look perfect, but overall, the quality and everything around it looks absolutely amazing. And I'm not even gonna hide this either. Yes, I did buy these off eBay, and for an eBay product, these are hands down a lot better than what I anticipated. And the issue we end up running into with the other company is the fact they end up giving us 2 left side mirror caps. And not only did it take us a month to get them, which was already a lot longer than I anticipated already from the due date that they explained, but also 2, it took a lot longer to return it as well. And when I finally was able to get my money back, I ended up just putting it on a gift card, and I threw away the gift card, and I ended up just going out 80 bucks completely. So that was just a complete mess within itself, but I'm happy to say again that these things look like they're gonna work out perfectly, and luckily this time I have a left side and I also have a right side. And so what we're gonna be doing with these is they're just caps. They go literally right over the mirror caps themselves that are already currently on the car. And what I would have liked is if these were to come off, and those ones would have had clips on them, but I'm actually being a cheap boy for this, and I ended up going the cheaper route and just going ahead and putting a cover on it. But what I ended up learning from the last time from the one mirror cap that did work is the fact that the new mirror cap is not gonna line up perfectly right here. You're gonna see a little bit of that white, so in order to make that work, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be throwing some clear gloss black vinyl on there. But the very first thing that we're gonna end up needing to do is we have to clean this off, because it seems like every time I do clean the car and I'm about to record a video for you guys, it wants to rain for the one time out of the 365 days out of the year. And as you guys can see, as much as I'm pushing this forward, and if I was to relax this, you're gonna start seeing that there's a white line that pops up right here. And again, the best way for me to solve this is by either painting this whole mirror black, or I'm gonna go ahead and put black vinyl over it, which I feel would be the easier option. So in order for me to wrap these, I gotta take these off. If you never know what the inside of the Mustang mirror cap looks like, it looks like shit. And these mirror caps, again, still seem to keep biting me in the ass constantly over and over and over again. Maybe it's just not my luck with carbon, considering that every time I get a carbon part, there's either just something wrong with shipment, it doesn't fit right, has scratches on it, it's cracked, whatever it is. So carbon is really not my name in the game. But other than that, though, these things look absolutely amazing overall. And unfortunately, again, not once, but twice, when I went to go ahead and record this, thought I was recording, and it just, no. That's all I got for you guys. I don't have anything for you other than how awesome these things look, along with my bad voice. I I'm loving the look of these. They look very sporty. They look really good. It also goes very well with my dirty ass carbon side skirt, as well as the carbon fiber gurney flap and all the other carbon pieces I have throughout the car and on the interior of the car as well. And you can see right here, all this other different carbon fiber accents flow again very well with the carbon fiber mirror cap. And as for this shitty one, it's obviously going to need to be redone. You can see a little bit of white showing all around it. I thought I ended up cutting this right, but unfortunately it does wrap around the edge. So this part is going to have to come off, and I'm going to probably end up having to go and rewrap it because there's no way of me getting in there with vinyl unless I go ahead and do the ghetto way and start using a little Q-tip and putting paint all around it. I got to ask you guys a very important question because I really don't know what I want to do. I've been thinking about it for the past couple of days. But what do you guys think about me possibly bringing back the tire letters on the car? I've been running this style for a little bit where I'm just having the all black wheels, and I kind of like it. It's less maintenance, and I can actually put tire shine on my tires without having to worry about making the letters look yellow. Now the downside though is I'm running Nittos in the front and Toyos in the rear. So if I was to do that, you're gonna start seeing Toyo letters there, and then you're also gonna see Nitto in the front. Please, again, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think, because I really don't know. And in all these videos, I'm always going to give you guys the most upfront and honest answer because I go through the tough shit so you guys don't have to. The question you might be now asking is it worth buying? Is it something you'd go and buy again? Is it worth the price? I'll have to say for all of it, yes. Unfortunately, the fitment is shit. I kind of knew that going into it only because I already got these the first time and the fitment was already shit as it is. I've also heard it from other owners as well who have had the carbon fiber mirror caps, and they also said too that the carbon fiber does not fit perfectly over the mirror cap because you got to remember you're sliding over it and the fitment's not going to be absolutely perfect unless you have the clips that bolted right in so you don't have to worry about showing any white, red, whatever it is that your paint color is on your car. But I do like it though. It's a great piece and it goes very well with all the other exterior components on the car. And as for the price, $80 does sound like a lot, but compared to like $200 or whatever it is for the ones with the clips in it, I'll admit the one with the clips are probably going to be better bang for your buck if you want to have that clean, nice fitment. But if you don't really care about the little details and things and you don't mind wrapping over those parts that show paint or don't mind painting it, but the $80 is definitely worth it in my opinion. You know what to do. Here comes. Bro.
We're hyping up everybody in front of the Metropolitan.
Dude, we're right in front of the Metropolitan Police Department.
We're hyping.
Hey, rev it! Rev it!
Yeah, these Alright, I'm done for the night. Let's go. Bro, what is going on right now? We are going to cause an accident on this corner. We are going to be the reason for an accident. And that moment comes, we walk out of here. Awesome. You know what's up? We're hype. Hyping up this whole corner, bro. I can't talk for shit right now. I want to hype up so bad, but I keep squeaking like Squeezy from Toy Story. Water would be nice. I hate all y'all, bro. Yeah, buddy. That's sick. Mikey has the Wimo. Joe just came across a car that I don't even. What is it, Joe? I'm looking at a Mustang, but I'm also like, what is that?
CRX? That's a CRX with Mustang tail end.
It low key looks right, but it looks so wrong all at the same time.
Dude, this thing goes hard. He has 12-inch wide tires, but they're still stretched.
And a Camaro front end.
Camaro front end.
Honestly, it flows really well with this. I don't know if any of you guys know about what's going on in Vegas here next year in 2023, but they're doing F1 races over in like, I think it's what, November? They're doing the F1 races in November. They started that thing up earlier. That thing was so loud. Look at that. Look at these guys speed walking. They want to see some tire slaying. They want to see some tire slaying. You know when Nate's in a rush when he starts like clenching his hands and he's like walking quick. Jacob's is obvious.
And Forrest Wayne. Blake Olson and Forrest Wayne. Blake from right here, Las Vegas to TNBC. Coral Works BMW. Blake Forrest Wayne trying to surge over there. Boy, Blake Olson getting into it. Trying to beat you with that left foot brake. Buddy. Oh, man. Ooh, Blake is a little too close. Almost tapped the tires.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. We had a crazy night just hyping everyone up, and I keep saying it over and over and over again that I really wish I didn't lose my voice at 12 o'clock today. And literally on the dot at 12 o'clock my voice just completely cracked out. And everyone's over here hyping everyone up on the trip. And I'm having to just do this with my hands and kind of hype everyone up because I can't yell. But everyone wish Jacob a happy birthday in the comment section down below. And we hope to see you guys all in the next one. And if you don't, you a